It is July 29th, 2017. We're here at 1552 Glasgow Lane in Escondido, California. We're here repairing the sewer line. We're going to go ahead and show the before and after. We've already dug up the line. So you can see here, here's the clean out. And here is the first T junction where all the roots are growing in. And then we've dug all the way down to the bottom here. It's 7 feet deep, and there's the white PVC where there's roots at the bottom 90. So we'll go and show inside the pipe here. This was recorded already by the first camera inspection done by the buyer. So here's the roots. We have a pan and tilt camera here, so we're going to be able to get you an angle to show you inside. So there's all the roots that are growing inside the pipe. And our camera's bouncing here. We apologize, the image is going up and down. A little defect in our camera monitor there. It'll stop in a second. Okay, so now we go down this vertical pipe. And as we go down this vertical pipe here, here's our turn. And here's our other roots intruding right here at this elbow. Just at this cracked elbow here from the PVC 90. Very small ones there in the top left of the screen. So we're now going to go ahead and cut out and replace all this pipe. So we're going to pause the video to go ahead and replace this, and then we'll turn it back on and show the completed work. Okay, so we've redone the pipes here at Glasgow, and we cut out the bad pipes, and we want to show right here. This was the T junction that we cut out. And as soon as it was cut, this end just snapped. It didn't even have to be, after this end was cut, this just fell apart, and that's where all the roots were getting in. So the reason that that pipe snapped, that we just showed down here at the new T junction, is right where you see these silver bands. This is a Fernco rubber boot connection for the old to the new. The pipe is running at a slightly awkward angle, and so the pipe was stressed. The pipe coming from the house here to the right side, top of the screen, that is pointed at a slight upward angle at not at a good spot where it was connecting to the T, and that stress on the line caused the T to snap at the weak spot of the T joint. So you can see we now have, we apologize, our camera's bouncing again there. It's going to roll through one more time. We've got a special pan and tilt camera connected to a different rigid machine. So the T junction, and we have a whole new clean out installed here to the proper height now. The other one was much lower. And then all the way down, you can see we've replaced the vertical, and there's a silver Fernco band down there with its new connection. So that's all been replaced as vertical, down to the 2 hose clamp band you see down there to the white PVC with the new coupling. And that fitting down there, when it was pulled out, we're going to show here, see, there was a complete crack and hole in the side. So that was facing to the side. This was how the pipe was underground, and on the bottom side there was where the roots were getting in because the pipe was completely cracked. So that's been replaced. So we now have the new T junction here. Go ahead and so there's the new junction. Has no roots, of course, now. And then as we go down to the bottom of the line, here's the new junction here with some more plastic black ABS pipe running across, whereas before it immediately transitioned to the white PVC. So you can see now it's farther away. Sorry, our screen image is rolling again here. We apologize for that. So as you can see, now we have all the repairs completed. The misaligned pipe has these rubber boots that are connecting, so it won't want to snap or break again. And obviously the PVC pipe down there was just a crack, probably during the backfill process, or was cracked initially and they never noticed it. So This line is all repaired. We're going to go ahead and backfill and tamper the line. So that completes this recording.